Have you ever been driving and suddenly your car feels sluggish, like it just lost its strength? Maybe it struggles to climb hills or accelerate, even though you're pressing the gas pedal hard. Welcome to D-Boss Auto Care, where we help you drive smart. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 real reasons why your car loses power while driving. And trust me, some of these are things mechanics don't want you to know because they can be fixed easily if you catch them early. So buckle up. By the end of this video, you'll know how to diagnose and fix these power loss issues yourself. Number one, dirty air filter. Let's start simple. The air filter. Your engine needs air to mix with fuel for combustion. But when your air filter gets clogged with dust, debris, or insects, the engine can't breathe properly. This leads to weak acceleration, rough idling, and even black smoke from the exhaust. The fix? Replace your air filter every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas. It's a cheap fix that can restore lost power instantly. Number two, clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can choke your engine's power too. It restricts the amount of fuel reaching the injectors. You'll notice poor acceleration, hesitation when pressing the gas, or even engine stalling at high speeds. The solution? Replace the fuel filter regularly, usually every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, depending on your vehicle type. Number three, faulty fuel pump. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the engine. When it's weak or failing, pressure drops, causing your car to lose power, especially when climbing hills. You might hear a whining noise from the tank before total failure. A fuel pressure test can confirm it. Replacing a bad fuel pump can bring your car back to life instantly. Number four, clogged catalytic converter. Your catalytic converter cleans exhaust gases before they exit the tailpipe. But when it's clogged from carbon buildup, it blocks the exhaust flow. That creates back pressure, suffocating the engine and killing power. Signs include sluggish acceleration, overheating under the car, and poor fuel economy. A mechanic can test this with a back pressure gauge or infrared thermometer. Number five, bad spark plugs or ignition coils. Weak or worn, spark plugs cause incomplete combustion. The result? Engine misfires, vibration, and of course, power loss. Ignition coils amplify voltage to create that spark. When a coil fails, the engine runs on fewer cylinders. Always check your plugs and coils every 30,000 miles or sooner if your engine runs rough. Number six, MAF sensor failure. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, tells the ECU how much air enters the engine. A dirty or failing MAF gives wrong readings, messing up the air-fuel ratio. That leads to hesitation, rough idle, and power loss. You can clean it using MAF cleaner spray, but never touch the wires directly. Number seven, oxygen sensor problems. A bad oxygen sensor can also trick the ECU into sending too much or too little fuel. That hurts fuel economy and robs your car of power. Replace oxygen sensors roughly every 60,000 to 90,000 miles to maintain engine performance. Number eight, transmission issues. If your car revs high but doesn't move fast, it's not always the engine. It could be your transmission. Slipping gears or low transmission fluid can make your car feel weak. Always check your transmission fluid level and color. It should be pinkish red, not dark or burnt. Number nine, exhaust leaks or blockages. Leaks or blockages in the exhaust system can alter back pressure, confusing the oxygen sensors and ECU. This imbalance often causes a sudden loss of power. Listen for unusual exhaust noise or rattling under the car. That's a sign it's time to check your exhaust. Number 10, ECU or software malfunction. The engine control unit, ECU, is your car's brain. If it glitches or runs outdated software, it can mismanage air, fuel, and spark. A quick diagnostic scan at a workshop can detect faulty ECU signals or software updates. Sometimes a simple ECU reset or reflash restores full power. Power loss doesn't always mean a major repair. Sometimes it's just dirt, clogs, or small sensors. Regular maintenance is the secret to keeping your car powerful and fuel efficient. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more auto tech and car diagnosis content. Stay safe, drive smart, and keep your car in top shape.